Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your avatar frame for Steam. So as you can see, my avatar frame right now looks like this. So let's change it. We'll need to click on our profile, like this, then move to edit profile, find your avatar, and right under your avatars there should be your avatar's frame. From this list, pick the avatar you want to use for your Steam. You can also select See All in order to see all available avatars. So I'm gonna pick that one. After that, select Save. Now if we look on our avatar right here, you can see the frame just changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.